How to fix Instagram Reels not showing likes by your friends. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how you can fix the problem if you can't see the likes of your friends on the Reels on Instagram. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your Instagram account and it's going to bring you to your main homepage. And now you simply have to click this icon on the bottom right corner, your profile icon. And if you can't see the likes on your Reels liked by your friends, you simply have to click these three horizontal lines on the top right corner. And once you do so, you simply have to scroll in this menu. It's going to open this menu for you. You simply have to scroll down until you find the option that says help and click this option. And once you click this option, you simply have to click report a problem. And now you can go back and shake your phone on the problem side, or you can just simply click report problem without shaking. And now you simply have to click don't include and continue. And now briefly explain what happened or what isn't working. I'm going to type exactly what you have to type, and then you can just copy and paste whatever I'm typing and click send on the top right corner. So you simply have to type, I can see likes from my friends on my Instagram Reels, please fix it. And then you have to click the send on the top right corner. And once you do so, Instagram is going to have your feedback and it's going to just get in contact with you in 24 to 48 hours, and then it's going to just fix your problem for you. And that's how you fix this issue. I hope you liked the video.